Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's New Hampshire Highlander. I'm back up here on Dog Mountain. I wanted to come back and see inside the chapel. Never been in there before, but here we are amongst our dog friends again. And this time I did come and I brought a photograph and a remembrance to Sherpa. But I really would like for you to look. I know you've seen the outside before. And our doggy friends here with Mr. Huneck in the background. But let's go into the chapel. We'll walk in here. If you take notice, Stephen Huneck was a carver and an artist, but the doors handles are dog's head. And there's wooden dogs, carved dogs everywhere. But this is the entrance vestibule where you come into and look at the remembrances. Look at them. I don't know how many might be in here. Dogs have a soul. But there's pictures and notes pasted everywhere. Here's a donation dog where you give money to support this fine effort up here, and we're going for in memory of Sherpa. But just absolutely look at this place. It's amazing. And here's Mr. Huneck's, well, the purpose of Dog Chapel. But if you look, you could probably find every breed of dog. Oh my God. But this is a beautiful room here. This is the main part of the chapel. Interesting carvings. Dogs on the pews, pews on the dogs. But the windows here are absolutely marvelous. But if you notice, there's dogs' pictures everywhere. Everywhere. But it is an amazingly beautiful place. And like I said, the pews are custom made, probably handmade. Everything in here is about the dogs. Simply amazing. So, anyway, this is the New Hampshire Highlander saying, Jamie, you will survive this. It's just going to take a little while. Take my word for it. But before we go, I want to show you where's Sherpa's page. I put him in a book instead of trying to pin him up on the wall. And it's just a little homemade remembrance that I printed up and put some words on. But he's going to be here in the book at the Welcome Center into the Dog Chapel, along with many other friends that have gone before him. So, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed our quick little visit here to the Dog Chapel. Simply amazing place. See you, Uber. Woof. Unbelievable.